This call is now being recorded.
So those who have not joined the Google Classroom, they are instructed to do so. Okay, so in yesterday's class, I already told you, whenever we don't have any connecting wire between the two terminals, positive and negative, okay. So whenever we have positive and negative, and when it is without the connection of wire, the wire is not present, so if wire is not present, then the resistance for air, it is equal to infinity, as it doesn't allow any current to flow. So when this current is equal to zero, so when this current is equal to zero, okay. So as there is no flow of current through this circuit between positive and negative terminal, the current is equal to zero. When this current is equal to zero, we can say the resistance between the terminals is infinity, and that infinity resistance in fact tells us the current movement between positive and negative terminal of the battery for open circuit, that is for air medium, is zero. Okay, so now I just want to take this, as yesterday we left with this example. Okay, so yesterday we had a discussion on this particular numerical. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, here you have one big node, right? So this big node is indicating that okay, so this big node is indicating the current get divided at this particular point. So if we apply Kirchhoff's current law as per its statement, what we can say is for KCL, the value of these two currents, that is I2 and I3, is equal to the total current, that is I naught. So at this KCL, we can say I naught is equal to, that is say I naught or I4, I naught, I4, both are equal to I2 plus I3, that comes out to be 6.5 milliampere. So considering the same concept of KCL at the particular node, we have another example to understand. Just take this example. Can you tell me the value of this current? I think it is easy because already the answer is displayed there. So can you tell me the value of this current I2? Can anyone tell me the value of current I2? Yes. The value of current I2.
3.
No, I am asking the value of current I2 which is passing through this particular branch. See, this current I2 is unknown. So what should be the value of current I2?
7.
Okay, so it is written, it is 7 milliampere. Okay, now how to get this value of current I2 using KCL? How to get the value of this current I2 using KCL? Can you tell me the original equation to it? Can you tell me the original equation? Like how we can write the KCL equation to this particular node? इस नोड पे वो KCL का इक्वेशन हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे? अच्छा, यहाँ पर कोई इनकमिंग करंट है क्या? आने वाला करंट कोई है? Yes, whose value is 10 milliampere. और इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे वो 10 milliampere करंट आपका डिवाइड होगा. That 10 milliampere get current, the current get divided into two parts, right? Okay, so guys, tell me faster so that we can cover the next topic as well as the questions which we are going to discuss. We have lecture only up to 1:30. So it's better if you have a discussion.
I1 minus 3 minus I2 equals 0.
Yes, correct. So here we can simply say that 10 milliampere is equal to, as 10 milliampere to this particular node. If I just call this node as node B, if I call this node as node B, I can say to node B, the incoming current is 10 ampere and 3 milliampere and current I2. 3 milliampere and current I2 is outgoing currents. So the summation of incoming current is equal to summation of outgoing current. So therefore I can write the value of I2 is equal to 10 minus 3. Value of I2 is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7 milliampere. Okay. Now, can you tell me the value of this total current I1? Yes, anyone?
14.
14, correct. But how we are getting this current as 14 ampere? So this is your I1. This is your I1. You have to apply KCL here at this particular point. So let this point be node A. So node A पे अगर आप KCL लगाते हो तो KCL node A पे क्या रहेगा? Yes, faster, faster, faster. Yes,
I1
can
is
anyone?
equal
हाँ,
I1 is equal to 10 plus 4.
yes, I1 is equal to 10 plus 4. In fact, guys, it is already displayed there. It is only for your understanding and reference. So I1 is equal to, see, I1 is incoming current to this particular node A. नोड A पे आने वाला करंट है आपका I1 और इस नोड से जाने वाले दो करंट्स है आपके 10 and 4. So ये दोनों करंट्स आपके कैसे रहेंगे? It is the summation and that can give you the total current as I1. So I1 is equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14 milliampere. Okay. So now I think all of you understood this concept of KCL. We are going to see the numericals definitely, but let us start. So what is the final statements for KCL? KCL can be defined with different statements. The sum of all currents entering a node must be 0. First of all, sum of all currents entering a node must be 0. The net current entering a node must be 0. Whatever flows into a node must come out. So in short, what we can say is summation of incoming current. What we can say is summation of incoming current is equal to summation of outgoing current. Summation of outgoing current. So that is what the final statement for KCL. Now let us understand next. I think this concept is not yet not required. So I just take the concept of voltage. Now again we have the same circuit, same network topology. On left hand side there is a voltage source और उसके बाद on right hand side there are different elements connected. The elements, let us say it is R1, this is say let R2 and this is say R3. We have three resistances. So these three boxes, rectangular boxes, are representing some element. Let the elements be R1, R2, R3. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. If you want Rx, Ry, Rz, Ra, Rb, Rc, whatever you want to abbreviate, you can free to do so. So left hand side में एक voltage source है and on right hand side there are certain elements connected in some pattern. Now what we are doing in this, voltages are measured across the branches. This across is very very important. यानी आप दो टर्मिनल्स के बीच में वोल्टेज मेजर कर सकते हो. ऑलरेडी हम लोग ये वोल्टेज मेजरमेंट वोल्टमीटर से किया जाता है और वो कल के क्लास में हमने देखा हुआ है. सो नाउ बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल, जो मैंने यहाँ पर रेड मार्क करके रखा है, इन बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल्स the voltage is shown as V1. Similar way, the other three voltages across each of the element, like V1 across voltage source, V2 across resistance R1, then V3 across resistance R3, V4 across resistance, that is R3 across resistance, V4 across resistance R3. तो ये हुए आपके वोल्टेजेस. अब ये वोल्टेज V1 जो है, इट इज अ सोर्स वोल्टेज और वो कौन से दो टर्मिनल पर है? इट इज इन बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल्स. ये दो टर्मिनल्स के ऊपर कनेक्टेड है. सो आई जस्ट से दिस इज A एंड दिस इज B. अब इस टर्मिनल यानी इस नोड और इस नोड के बीच में कोई भी एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट नहीं है, तो इसको हम लोग एक बड़ा सा नोड कह सकते हैं. वी कैन कॉल दिस एज बिग नोड. इसको हम एक बिग नोड भी कह सकते हैं. इवन वी कैन इंक्लूड दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो. सो वी कैन कॉल दिस एज बिग नोड. So this complete big node is node B. So this is B, this is node B. Why B? Because there is no element present. तो node वहां पर आपका change नहीं होगा. So node B, same node. This is node B, node B, node B. But here on upper side node A, and this is some different node. इसको let it be C, node C. इसको मैं नाम देता हूँ node C. हाँ, but we can say कि ये नोड सी है और इस लाइन पे, ये दूसरे रेड लाइन पे कहीं भी कुछ भी कनेक्टेड नहीं है. सो देयरफॉर हियर आल्सो वी कैन से देयर इज अ बिग नोड एंड बोथ आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग सेम नोड एज नोड सी. ऑलरेडी नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी में हम लोग ये तीन नोड्स देख चुके हैं, राइट? सो नोड ए, नोड बी, नोड सी आर द थ्री नोड्स फॉर दिस गिवन नेटवर्क. नाउ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द करंट डायरेक्शन, यानी जो करंट हमारा एंटर होगा उस पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस पे यानी उस एलिमेंट पे, उसके बेसिस पे हमने यहाँ पर पोलैरिटी दे दी. दिस इज योर पॉजिटिव पोलैरिटी, द अदर वन इज नेगेटिव पोलैरिटी. So R1 is having positive, negative, R2 is having again positive, negative, R3 is again having negative, positive. So now just tell me the potential which is available between A and B terminal. तो अगर मैं ये सिंपल आपको सवाल पूछता हूं तो आपका आंसर रहेगा सर बिटवीन A and B terminal the voltage is V1 because that is what the supplied voltage. If I ask you the potential which is between A and C, so your answer will be sir node voltage V2. अब अगर आपको मैं पूछूं सर वोल्टेज बिटवीन C एंड B तो आपका आंसर रहेगा सर V3 एंड इवन V4. बट ये दोनों एलिमेंट्स आपके कैसे कनेक्टेड है? बोथ द एलिमेंट्स आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. बोथ द एलिमेंट्स आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. अगर एलिमेंट्स आपके पैरेलल कनेक्टेड है तो ये R2 और R3 अगर पैरेलल है तो V3 और V4 कैसे रहेगा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी फॉर पैरेलल सर्किट?
Equal.
Yes, for parallel circuit V3 and V4 both are equal. V3 and V4 both are equal. Okay. अब और ज्यादा मैं इस पर्टिकुलर सर्किट को एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते हुए मैं आप लोगों को आगे बढ़ाता हूं. सो जस्ट चेक नेक्स्ट. यहाँ पे और एक उन्होंने पोलैरिटी चेंज करके बताया हुआ है बट वी नॉट गोइंग टू सी दिस. ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द एग्जांपल. अब यहाँ पर आप देखें, मैंने यहाँ पर आपको कहा था कि दिस इज योर नोड ए. ये जो पॉइंट था ये था नोड बी और इवन आप कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज ऑल्सो नोड बी और इस पॉइंट को हमने नाम दिया था नोड सी. सो नाउ द वोल्टेज विच इज अवेलेबल बिटवीन ए एंड बी इज नथिंग बट द V1. बराबर है? नोड विच इज अवेलेबल, द पोटेंशियल, द वोल्टेज बिटवीन ए एंड बी इज नथिंग बट द V1. बट V1 के अक्रॉस और दो वोल्टेज अवेलेबल दिख रहे हैं आपको. कौन से? बिटवीन AC देयर इज V2 एंड बिटवीन CB देयर इज V3. तो यहां पर अगर हम लोग KVL लगाए तो KVL से आपको इक्वेशन मिल सकता है. और KVL से इक्वेशन क्या मिल रहा है? KVL से इक्वेशन आपको क्या मिल रहा है कि दैट V1, ध्यान से देखना, V1 इज इक्वल टू V2 प्लस V3 बिकॉज V1 is the voltage between AB terminal and in between these two terminals the two elements are connected in this pattern, AC and CB. Okay, so if I just draw this circuit, like one is representing impedance R1, another is representing R2. ये हुआ मेरा R1, another is R2. So R1 के अक्रॉस रेजिस्टेंस, R1 के अक्रॉस मुझे वोल्टेज मिला V2, R2 के अक्रॉस वोल्टेज मिला मुझे V3. So can you tell me the total voltage? Yes, the total voltage will be V1. And what is V1? V1 is equal to V2 plus V3. V2 is equal to V1 is equal to V2 plus V3. अब आप दूसरे तरीके से देखते हैं. इन बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल्स, उन्हीं दोनों टर्मिनल्स के बीच में ये वोल्टेज तो हमने लिखा है बट उसके साथ साथ वी हैव दिस बिगर लूप. ये बिगर लूप आप लोगों को दिख रहा है. एंड व्हाट दिस बिगर लूप शोज says, this bigger loop says the voltage V1, because that is nothing but the voltage V1 between these two terminals. A B के बीच में V1 है, but in between A B there is one more voltage or rather two more voltages present, that is V2, यानी ये यहीं से आ रहा है आपका, but another voltage is V4. So in short what we are saying that V3 and V4 both are equal, जैसे हमने last slide में कहा था. So when we say V3 and V4 both are equal, we can have two KVL equation. KVL V1 is equal to V2 plus V3. If V3 is replaced by V4, we can write it as V1 is equal to V2 plus V4. Let us understand this by using application of KVL. What KVL says? The sum of voltages around a closed loop is zero. This is very, very important. KVL, the sum of voltages around a closed loop is zero. अब जैसे ये क्लोज लूप में हम लोग अगर KVL अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिल रहा है? देखिए, यू आर राइटिंग V1 with the negative sign, you are writing V2 with the positive sign, you are writing V3 with the positive sign. So it means what you are writing? You are writing a closed loop voltage equation. You are writing a closed loop voltage equation. And what that closed loop voltage equation says, that V1 is equal to, or rather minus V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. It means what we can say, summation of V is equal to 0. That is what the KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. This particular law is not from the like it is the need for the engineering, for electrical, that with the help of which we can find out the unknown parameter. Okay, so this KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, ये इससे you are getting the relationship between voltage, because this Kirchhoff's already said it's a voltage law, so therefore it is related to voltage. Current law, it means it is related to current. Okay, so now what we consider this as V2, we consider this as V3. The other parallel branch is having V4, but V3 and V4 both are parallel. V3 and V4 both are same because the parallel resistance or parallel impedance of the network is means the network is connected in parallel. So V3 and V4 both are equal. V3 and V4 both are equal. Okay, so let us take the example related to this. Yes, please check these two equations. Rather, two questions. How much is the voltage V0? यहाँ पर V0 का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? अब V0 आप कहाँ मेजर करोगे? बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल, बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल, इन दोनों टर्मिनल, या फिर ये आप कह सकते हैं कि बिटवीन दीज टू टर्मिनल्स. V0 is measured between these two terminals. So can you tell me the value of V0? Can anyone tell me the value of V0
9.9.
fast?
9.9.
9.9 volt. So what you did here, you have added these two values of voltages, 3.1 and 6.8. So therefore you are getting 6 plus 3 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9. So therefore it is 9.9 volts. It is 9.9 volts. Okay. Now, can you tell me the value of V4?
6.8. V3 equal to V4, therefore it has the same 6.8.
Yes. As we know, these two branches, ये दोनों branches कैसे connected है? These two are connected in parallel. These two are connected in parallel. दो lines मैंने parallel निकाली है, उसके ऊपर EL लिखा है, parallel. So for parallel branches, the voltages are same, and therefore that V4 is equal to 6.8 volts. Is it clear with this point? Okay. Now, can you just find the values of V2, V3 and V4? What should be the value of V2? First, can you tell me the value of V2? Yes. Hello, am I audible?
10
10
volt.
volt.
10 volt.
Samir, can you see the second slide? Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So just tell me the next slide where the what is the value of V2?
Sir, 10 volt.
What is the value of V2?
Sir, 10 volt, no?
10 volt. Okay, how this voltage is 10 volt? How this particular voltage is 10 volt?
Because it is in parallel.
Yes, both this voltage source, this is voltage source, right? Positive, negative, when it is written, it means it is a voltage source. This voltage source and this particular element, whatever may be the element, this rectangular box, both are parallel. And for parallel branches, the voltages are same. So what we can write is V1 is equal to V2. See, the answer is written here. The answer is given here. But what we need, what we expect is the explanation, the understanding. So for parallel branches, as these two branches are in parallel, so therefore this V1 and V2 both are same, and it is to be 10 volt. Okay, can you tell me the value of V3?
Eight volts.
Okay, can you tell me the value of V4?
2 volt.
2.
Yes, anyone? Pardon?
2 volt.
What explanation gives you?
Parallel to V5.
V3 equal to 10 minus V4.
Yes. Hello, am I audible? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya, can you tell me the value of this voltage? V4.
Sir, 2 volt. Because it is
Aditya?
parallel to V5.
Okay, it is
Yes,
same
sir.
as the voltage across V5. So it means that
Yeah.
voltage is equal to 2 volts. Perfect. Perfect. Right? Okay. Now, if I need to, like, see, after concept of parallels, like the concept of parallel gives us the values of, say, V1 as well as V4. But now if I apply KVL here, considering clockwise loop, what will be the equation? आपको equation क्या मिलेगा? The equation is V2, okay, V2 minus V3, okay, minus V4. So I have applied loop, that is KVL in this loop. So KVL gives me this V2 minus V3 minus V4 is equal to 0. V2 minus V3 minus V4 is equal to 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of V3. So therefore I take this V3 on other side so that I can write it as V3 is equal to 10 minus 2 equal to 8 volts. Because I know the value of V2, I have a value of V4, I have a value of V2, I have a value of V4. Therefore I can write the equation for V3 as V2 minus V4, that is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 volts. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 volts. Is it clear with this? Any question?
सर V2 पॉजिटिव गिरेगा V3 और V4 माइनस है तो
हाँ, V2 को मैंने पॉजिटिव लिया हुआ है. Why I am taking positive? Because the orientation जो मैंने लिया है clockwise, उसमें I am getting the moment of this particular loop is from negative to positive. Is from negative to positive. और ये मेरा negative to positive होने के वजह से I am writing this as positive. But for V3 and V4 I am writing it as negative
सर
because हाँ
हाँ सर ये सर क्योंकि V3 में पहले प्लस है फिर माइनस है तो जब लूप
हाँ
घूमेगा तो प्लस पॉजिटिव से निगेटिव जा रहा है सर
positive से negative जा रहा है. Even for same for V4. So therefore we are writing it with the negative sign. So can you tell me the
Okay, sir.
sign convention? हाँ, okay. So can you tell me the sign convention for voltage law? Sign convention for voltage law. अगर आपका loop का current, if it is moving from negative to positive, and if the value of that voltage is say V, अगर loop current आपका negative to positive है, तो यहाँ voltage कैसे रहेगा? Positive या negative?
पॉजिटिव
अगर negative to positive है, जैसे यहाँ पर था, negative to positive है, so therefore we wrote as plus V2. So if the moment of loop current, यहाँ पर ये है ना, ये red जो मैंने circle बनाया है, the small circle,
हाँ सर
so it is representing what? The loop current. This is representing loop current. This is representing loop current. So for loop current, can you tell me, like from this loop current understanding, can you tell me the sign for this voltage? If the moment of this arrow is indicating loop current. If the moment of arrow is negative to positive, so what would be the value of this V? Positive or
Positive.
negative? Positive.
Positive
Perfect.
V.
Yes. Okay. Now, if you follow negative to positive as positive, then please remember for positive to negative, if the moment is from positive to negative of a loop current for the value of say V, then the value of that V is written with the negative sign. That value of V is written with the negative sign. That indicates the sign convention. That gives us the sign convention for the circuit, or for any of the circuit, this particular sign convention can be applicable. हाँ, but if you say sir negative to positive, I have to take negative. Then positive to negative, you have to take it as positive. Vice versa. ठीक है. So अगर negative to positive आप पॉजिटिव ले रहे हो तो पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव आपका नेगेटिव रहेगा. और मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा यू जस्ट फॉलो द सेम थिंग. इवन जैसे एक एग्जांपल मैं हमेशा देता हूं कि इस वोल्टेज सोर्स के लिए अगर आप एक रियल एग्जांपल, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल लेना चाहो तो यू नो रिलायंस का ओनर, राइट, of Ambani has started with ₹10 and then now he has reached to this particular level, maybe first or second or maybe second or third, right? So he has started from negative and now he has reached to positive. So when we have negative to positive movement, we always have to be represented with the positive. There are certain examples of the filmmakers, even the actors who used to be like a billionaire, but now they are not able to earn a single penny. So it means what? From positive to negative, there is to negative. So let us represent that positive to negative and negative. Negative to positive means positive. So मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि अगर आपके पास 10 रुपए है और कल जाके आप उसको 1000 कर रहे हो, इट मीन्स यू आर रीचिंग टू पॉजिटिव. लेकिन आपके पास आज 1000 रुपए है और कल आपके पास सिर्फ 10 रुपए रह रहे हैं, इट मीन्स यू आर रीचिंग टू नेगेटिव.
Sir, voice is coming low.
Yes, pardon. Yes, pardon.
Now it is fine. Voice.
Okay. See, because of I think this internet problem in the college, like we are getting this problem. Fine. No, no issue. Let us start with this introduction to sources. But guys, I just want to see, this is in half an hour. I have completed the introduction to KVL. But if I just want to take this particular portion, which is very, very important with the multiple choice question, I need a good strength connectivity, internet connection. So I suggest if you allow me to take my lecture today in the evening, 6 o'clock, 6 to 6:30. I just need 30 minutes. मैं आपका सिर्फ 30 minutes लूंगा. So is it
Okay,
possible? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Because
Okay, sir. Anytime.
in the college the internet connection is very bad. Even I am not able to write down the full text. So I just suggest you to join my class 6 o'clock evening.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So please put your
Okay.
willingness in the chat box whether you really want that lecture or not. Just write why. Just write why. Just write why. If you don't want, please put no. Okay, now I just request you to put your attendance, roll number. Just put your roll number. Just put your roll number. Okay, after that you can leave. You are free to do so. You are free to free to leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you all. Mayank, Parth, Yash, Saksham, Mayur. Please put your attendance there faster. Make it fast.
Sir, yesterday's lecture you have uploaded on YouTube.
Yes, it is available on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Mayank, Mayur. Mayur, fast. Nupur, why are you joining again?
Sir, my connection got lost due to network issues.
चलेगा. But now you just put whether you want lecture today evening 6 o'clock. इसके लिए yes or no, Y or N. Chat box में जल्दी लिखें.
Sir,
Y or N.
Sir, can you please repeat?
अगर शाम को 6 बजे आधे घंटे के लिए लेक्चर आप चाहते हो तो आप y या n में से कुछ लिखें. Attendance your नुपूर झालं का बाळा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please put your and then roll number.